What if a piece of software could look into your future and tell you exactly what your brain will look like 7 years from now, long before a clinician can detect the first signs of impairment? For decades, an Alzheimer's diagnosis has been treated as a fixed countdown. Doctors and families could only watch the decline happen, following a path that seemed entirely inevitable. But in 2026, AI is identifying the biological boundaries that have stalled research for 40 years. We are moving from observing the late-stage effects of the disease to actively analyzing and influencing the underlying biological system. On a structural level, Alzheimer's begins when toxic protein buildups, specifically amyloid plaques and tau tangles, interfere with the connections between these neurons. For 20 years, the scientific community focused almost exclusively on clearing amyloid. Billions of dollars were spent trying to remove that one specific protein. This May 2026 trial pipeline reveals a massive shift. Out of 192 active clinical trials, amyloid-targeting drugs make up only 20%. AI data tracking proved Alzheimer's is a complex ecosystem. Most current trials focus on other targets, like neuroinflammation and metabolic pathways. Managing the disease is no longer about finding one specific drug to solve one specific problem. It is about addressing the entire biological network through combination therapies. These MRI scans show the severe structural changes that occur in the later stages of the disease. Historically, treatments often began here, after the damage was already done. To catch the disease earlier, researchers at the University of California developed a machine learning model that analyzes multimodal health data. It can predict the onset of symptoms 7 years in advance, with 72% accuracy. The AI identifies digital biomarkers, subtle changes in speech patterns, sleep, and gait that are often invisible to a human observer. Similarly, a model from the University of Cambridge evaluates patients who already show mild cognitive impairment, reaching an 81% accuracy rate. It can determine whether a patient's condition will remain stable or progress, and it maps out the projected speed of that decline. These predictive models shift the medical approach. Instead of reacting to brain damage that has already occurred, doctors can begin intervention years earlier. Even with an early diagnosis, researchers face a major physiological barrier, the blood-brain barrier. It is a highly selective filter that prevents 98% of medicines from entering the brain. Scientists created engineered antibodies called Brainshuttles that act as a Trojan horse, hijacking the natural transport system to carry medicine through the barrier. The impact is significant. 92% of trial participants cleared measurable plaque after 28 weeks. There are also methods that avoid drugs entirely, using sensory stimulation to trigger a biological response. Cognito Therapeutics is testing a Phase 3 device that uses light and sound at 40 Hz. This frequency stimulates the brain's immune cells to clear toxic proteins without the need for an invasive delivery system. These successes prove that the brain's natural defenses, while formidable, are no longer impenetrable to engineered solutions. This research depends on data, but medical information is often trapped in isolated silos across different hospitals and countries. Philanthropic funding, including over $50 million from Bill Gates, has helped build the infrastructure required to harmonize these datasets while maintaining patient privacy. This global data allows AI to create digital twins, virtual, high-fidelity models of an individual patient's brain. Researchers can use these virtual models to simulate years of disease progression and drug interactions in mere seconds, testing different treatments before a patient ever takes a pill. By utilizing digital simulations, years of physical trial and error are being condensed into precise calculations. But while AI research is accelerating, global policy is struggling to keep pace. The World Health Organization set a target for 75% of member nations to have a national dementia plan by 2025. That target was missed. Roughly 75% of countries still have no formal framework in place. Over the next 7 years, we can expect the rollout of population-wide AI screening tools and the first wave of AI-designed drugs, but the broader fight against the disease will continue for years. AI is an accelerator, not a miracle. However, it has changed our perspective. Alzheimer's is no longer an unsolvable mystery, but a biological landscape we are finally starting to map and influence. If you found this deep dive valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines.